As 2025 draws to a close, Bitcoin's grip on the crypto market is loosening. Once the undisputed king, Bitcoin's dominance has dropped to 59.5%, down from 62% in May, a clear break from its two-year uptrend. Yet Bitcoin isn't weak. It's consolidating around $120,000, with strong institutional inflows into ETFs. The shift isn't about losing faith in Bitcoin, but about a maturing market. Capital is now flowing into altcoins, fueling a surge that's pushed total crypto market cap to nearly $4 trillion. This isn't just Bitcoin's story anymore. Thousands of digital assets are driving growth. The market is evolving, with new leaders and sectors emerging. Investors are looking beyond Bitcoin, seeking innovation and higher returns. The old belief that altcoins only rally in Bitcoin's shadow is fading. Bitcoin remains foundational, but its role as the sole market driver is diminishing. We're entering a more dynamic, diverse, and potentially more volatile era for crypto. Bitcoin's declining dominance has set the stage for altcoins to shine. In late 2025, 76% of the top 50 altcoins outperformed Bitcoin over 3 months, a clear shift in sentiment. Ethereum leads this charge, surging from $2,500 to $3,500 in just 10 days. ETH's rally shows it can move independently, powered by tech upgrades and growing adoption. This confidence is spreading, with capital flowing into sectors like Layer 1 competitors, DeFi, and gaming tokens. Unlike past cycles, investors are now targeting projects with real potential, not just hype. The market is maturing, with distinct sectors and investment theses emerging. The narrative has shifted from Bitcoin versus traditional finance to a complex ecosystem of competing platforms and services. Altcoins, led by Ethereum, are commanding attention and capital. The future of crypto is diverse, competitive, and driven by innovation. The altcoin surge is rooted in classic market psychology. As Bitcoin consolidates at highs, investors seek the next big opportunity, moving down the risk curve into altcoins. This rotation is typical of late-stage bull cycles, with capital chasing higher returns in smaller assets. Today's rotation is more sophisticated than in 2017. Investors are focusing on sectors like AI, real-world asset tokenization, and gaming. Research-driven bets are replacing indiscriminate speculation. The buy-the-dip mentality now extends beyond Bitcoin to major altcoins. Volatility and corrections are seen as buying opportunities, not reasons to panic. Capital is flowing into projects with perceived long-term viability. The market's maturity is evident in how investors allocate and react. This sets the stage for a new phase of price discovery across the altcoin landscape. Technical analysis confirms the alt-season narrative. The Bitcoin dominance, BTCD chart, has broken down from a key wedge pattern, a bullish sign for altcoins. The altcoin market cap chart, Total 3, is forming a classic cup and handle, hinting at a potential parabolic rally. If this breakout holds, altcoins could surge into multi-trillion-dollar territory. Key ratios like ETH/BTC are climbing, signaling Ethereum's outperformance. The Others BTC chart also points to growing altcoin strength. These indicators act as a barometer for altcoin momentum. The technicals align conditions are ripe for sustained altcoin outperformance. While no chart is a crystal ball, the signals are hard to ignore. The market is primed for a major shift. Alt season is here. Regulation is reshaping the crypto landscape in 2025. Asia's influence is growing, with Thailand tightening rules and Hong Kong and Singapore fostering innovation through clear frameworks. These regulatory moves are redirecting capital and talent to more welcoming jurisdictions. China's bans push entrepreneurs to friendlier markets, fueling regional competition. Despite regulatory hurdles, investor appetite for new projects remains strong. Pre-sales like SUBBD, raising over $1.2 million, show speculative capital is ready to back innovation. Real-world crypto adoption is rising, with mainstream companies integrating digital assets. Altcoins offer unique features, faster transactions, lower fees, specialized use cases, driving their utility. Projects with real-world adoption are more likely to sustain value. Regulation and innovation together are shaping the next wave of altcoin growth. The data tells a story of transition and expansion. Bitcoin's dominance is falling while total crypto market cap hits new highs. Capital is diversifying, not fleeing. Altcoins are claiming a bigger share. Bitcoin's stability and Ethereum's rally create a cascading effect, fueling the altcoin ecosystem. Sustaining this rally will require real-world utility, not just speculation. Projects must deliver on promises to thrive beyond the hype. The market is rewarding potential, but will demand performance. We're entering a new, more mature phase. Bitcoin's reign is giving way to a feudal landscape of powerful altcoins. The altcoin season index is flashing green, confirming the shift. The future looks set for continued altcoin rise and diversification.